And if my African mom actually likes this pink hair, then good. Ha! Ha! Today I'm doing something different, okay? I am doing pink hair. Am I nervous? Yes, but it's okay. So this hair is from Yebo Hair. I did get a chance to look at it. They're synthetic fibers. This is now their pastel pink hair. I did mention that it is synthetic. It is super soft and it's a bob cut. The lace is a lot more softer than the other. It doesn't blend as much as the other one did. I know, wow, I have. And the roots are kind of like a chocolate brown. Adjustable straps. Comes with that. Have 3 combs, 2 on this side and 1 in the middle. 1, 2, and 1 right there. This is how the inside looks. So there isn't any space, open space, like the other wig that I had from before, which is I'll be sure to give you all the specs and all the details of the hair in the description bar below. And because I just really want to I just want to try this on. So let's see how it looks like just on. I mean, it's bruh, it's interesting. It's really interesting. Okay, so say hi to, I don't know yet, she doesn't have a name yet. So I'm just gonna pin her down because I want to pluck the hair. I guess this is what we're looking at. Honestly, I'm not the best when it comes to laying this stuff down. But I think it looks alright. But I don't like it like this. We're going to do something else to it. Everything is so pink. I'm going to wand curl it and see how it turns out, because I'm going to test out to see if it can curl. Let's do it at the back of the strand in case. Okay. Too long in case it burns. We're gonna straighten it, okay? Oh, sis, it's looking a little. So I decided to not go with the middle part. I kind of want like a free-for-all, like, oh, it is. So this is what we have, guys. If I tell you that I don't like it, I'm lying. Love it, I don't know. Only because I'm not good with laying a frontal yet, but practice will definitely somehow one day make perfect. So do not, because I like this. I think, and it moves. I mean, I know it's not gonna last long, synthetic hair, like I know it's not gonna last long. This is the middle part. This is the original part. Let's talk. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I am still okay. I'm still not 100 on laying a frontal, so we're gonna take it as it is, and I'll just say that maybe you could do better. Maybe we can all learn, but other than that, which is the main part, but I love this hair. Yebo. The gist of how the hair is, if you're looking for something quick, if you want to experiment with pink hair, if you're not someone that's into the expensive lifestyle of raw human virgin hair, then this is the way to go. Affordable, manageable, and it still looks good, honey. But I love it. Like, I love it. I still love it. So anyways, if you do love this hair, be sure to like, comment, and share the video. And if you're feeling the vibes, if you want to be a part of this family, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Comment down on ways I can actually work with a synthetic hair and make it look a lot more natural, a lot more better.